In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete and close your Whop account. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Once it's gone, you may lose access to any products, memberships, or data tied to that account. So if there's anything you might need later, such as invoices, important messages, or files you've used accessing that through Whop, take a moment to download or screenshot those now. When you're ready, let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Whop home dashboard. You can do this by typing the Whop website address into your browser's address bar and logging in with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main home feed or dashboard. This is the page where you typically see your memberships, products, or any activity related to your account. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your avatar, initials, or a generic profile image. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. This menu is where you can access your personal settings and account options. After you click the profile icon, a gear or settings icon should appear. The gear icon usually represents configuration or preferences. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you into your account settings area, where you can adjust things like your profile information, security options, and more. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Account Security. If there are several tabs or categories, make sure you're specifically in the Security or Account Security section, not just general profile settings. Once you're in the right place, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page. The Delete option is normally placed at the bottom so it's not clicked by accident. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on Delete Account to start the deletion process. At this stage, Whop may ask you to confirm your choice, enter your password again, or acknowledge that this action is permanent. Carefully read any on-screen warnings so you understand what will be removed and whether there is any waiting period. Once you confirm the deletion, your Whop account will be scheduled for permanent removal. That's all you need to do to permanently